Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have a quick little video for some happy mail that I received today, and I thought I would share it and just remind everybody about Thursday night live as well at 7:15 tonight. So on the survey, the overwhelming response was art journal page, and so we're going to be playing with ink tonight. I found all kinds of spray inks that I had. We're just going to play and do some stuff. So I hope you will join me for that. So now on to the happy mail. So my friend Marcia Taylor, who still sends me postcards, sent me one from Saratoga, Florida. Isn't that pretty? Sorry for the glare. There you go. And it's the Congress Park, Saratoga Springs, New York. I don't know why I said Florida. This is from New York. And the Gay 90s Showplace in the beautiful Congress Park. Former gambling house built in 1870 by John Morrissey. So that's pretty cool. And then I got a birthday card from my lovely friend Michelle Rickard. And I love how she does this. She puts this on top of a card. It says, "This sheet has been placed to protect your card." And so she made me this beautiful card. I need to know what you did to create this. But isn't that pretty? This is all raised. It's like either some kind of modeling paste or something, but it's really textural. It's really cool. Whoops. Really cool. And then on the inside, there's a little sticker that says, "For he shall give his angels charge over you to keep you in all your ways." Psalms 91:11. And she just said, "Wishing you a most wonderful and blessed year ahead. So thankful for your friendship." Well, I'm so thankful for your friendship too, Michelle. I really appreciate it. That's pretty, and the little crosses at the top. And then she sent me this little stamp from Studio G. It says, "Needed you to know I'm here for you." And I love that. I love that. So that'll be used in some near future cards. So thank you so much, my sweet Michelle. And this is from a lady that I know. Her name is Rebecca Klein. And she does watch my channel, but she's not in the crafting world. She's actually my health insurance agent. But it just says, "Make a wish." And it says, "Donna, happy birthday to you and even a happier year ahead. Many happy memories are wished for you on your birthday, Rebecca Klein." And y'all, I want to show you what she sent. She sent this little card. It's called Savor the Moment Thoughtful. And it looks like this. And it says, "Be happy," and then pop the tab open. And I love this. I am so going to use this in a journal or something. It says, "We can't do much about the length of our lives, but we can do plenty about its width and depth," by Evan Isar. I thought that was really cool. So thank you, Rebecca, for remembering my birthday, which is Monday. Okay, so the next thing I got, this big old envelope here, was from my friend Nora Dunlap. And Nora doesn't know it, but she packaged this up in these pizza boxes right here. Well, this is probably going to be a base for an album. But she sent me, okay, it's not file folders. She sent me this wonderful digital paper that she bought. And it was so pretty. And I can't wait to do a journal with this. I don't know what kind of journal I'm going to do. Yeah, but it's going to be a special project. This might even be, if I get in on the hot with Carmen, I may even use it for that. Y'all, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? I just love it. Here's one. And that was so sweet of her to do this for me. You know, I don't have a printer to use. And so this is really for, I think, a 5x7 or 7.5 album or something. It's just really pretty. I just can't get over how gorgeous this is. And she asked me when she downloaded it what color paper I wanted it printed out on, white or cream. And I chose the cream because I thought it looked more vintagey-like, more shabbier. This is beautiful. Nora, I can't believe you did all this for me. You are amazing. Thank you so much. It's stuck. I mean, I'm going to have a beautiful journal. And I already have so many things that will match it. Look, it even has like tags and journaling cards. This is just beautiful. Now, she purchased this kit from Nectar's Creations on Etsy. And I think this is one of her older kits, but it's just beautiful. She was showing me the kits that she had, and I wanted this one. I just think it's so pretty. It even has tickets. Don't know how I'll cut those tickets out to make them look like a ticket. And a coin envelope and matching journaling cards. Look at that. Nora, thank you so much. I am ever so appreciative of you for this. That was so sweet of you to do. And make a wonderful birthday present. She says this isn't for my birthday, but I told her it should be because this is beautiful. So I'm excited. I can't wait to use it and just embellish it with laces and things that I've already got in my stash. So I am just really excited about it. So thank you so much. And again, thank you, Michelle and Rebecca, for remembering my birthday, and Marcia for ever so faithful postcards. I am putting together a book with all your guys' postcards and stuff. And the kids have said, why don't you just put together one book and make it a good book, you know, a great big book. And then we can all share it if we need it for something. And I said, okay, I'll do that. So I'm searching for a type of book to do it in. But anyway, I just want to share this with y'all and tell you guys thank you so much. I love each and every one of you. And, yep, thank you again, ladies. Please don't forget my live tonight at 7:15. Be working in my art journal, and we're going to be doing some sprays. And then next week, I'm going to go ahead and do the 3D paper project because it was really close, you know, with that one as well. Yep. Anyway, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all back in a little bit live. Bye.